Good morning, guys. We're out here in Bradford Meadows, out in Longs here, doing a 22kw generator today. I apologize for the noise. I got landscapers out here doing a bunch of yards out here. So today, Devin is actually going to do the electrical, and we're going to be mounting the ATS right here. We're going to move the disconnect and running our generator cable to the attic. So enjoy. Anytime we have power cuts at the house, we go through this panel and make sure all of our lugs are tight. I can't tell you how many houses I've been to with loose neutrals or loose feeders, and it could be very dangerous if you have loose connections in your panel. It could create fire, melt breakers, ruin wires, damage appliances. So every time we come out to a house where we're doing a generator, we make sure we go through all of these. Sometimes you don't see it on camera because we have it outside, but it's a little hot outside today and my phone keeps shutting off. So today you get to see it. Every install that Myrtle Beach Generator does, we install a little magnet hook with a set of the generator keys right on the electrical panel. The reason we do that, in the event that something happens to the generator and we can't immediately get to you, if you're on the phone with us and I can walk you through some of the common troubleshooting errors or even get the thing started for you, they always ask, I don't know where I put my keys. So we always put a set of keys on the panel, that way I can answer that for them. Check your panel, I hung a set of keys there during the install. So, hope your installer does that too.